People experience each other and others differently, and because of that, I'm the type that if I'm beefing with a certain relative or a family member, normally I keep it to myself because everybody else in the family doesn't experience that person the same way. So the same bitch that's been nice to you for 20 years can also be the same bitch that's been treating me like shit for 20 years, right? But because of the fact that I kept my mouth shut out of respect for people that loved the person that fucked me over or treated me like shit, it gave every single one of them room to twist the narrative and make me look like the bad guy to everybody that was listening. At one point, I had a really ugly reputation in the community because it was my family members that were going around talking shit about me to each other. I started falling out with people in my family because one of the last few conversations I had with them was me holding them accountable, making themselves look in the mirror, using me as a scapegoat for how shitty you feel about yourself. The main reason why I was able to hold everybody accountable is because I loved them so much that I studied them, made sure I knew what they liked, knew what they didn't like, to be considerate. Because why? Because I love you. Fucks with you. I'ma always have your back. For years, I bit my tongue, swallowed my own pain because the people that hurt me were loved by people that I love.